Yo guys, Jonathan here, and early this year I got a chance to head out to Spain and check out Oppo's crazy 10 times zoom camera tech, which was awesome, but the problem was it was in a phone that wasn't out yet. You were inside, essentially trapped to a table. So when I got a chance to check it out in person, take it outside, I was stoked. And big thanks to Oppo for sending this out and also sponsoring this first look. So this is the Oppo Reno 10 times, and like that name implies, you're getting the 10 times zoom, which is an equivalent focal length of 16 millimeters all the way up to 160, which is crazy. The way that breaks down is you have an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 48 freaking megapixel main shooter, and then finally a 13 megapixel telephoto lens. So in terms of tech, this thing is jam packed. Oppo though, those guys are mad lads. They're not stopping there. They literally just dropped an update that packs 60 times zoom into this camera. Look how far I'm zooming in. That just doesn't make sense. So naturally, with all this tech packed inside, I thought it'd be amazing to take this out to the Griffith Observatory, which is beautiful. You have that classic, iconic Hollywood sign, which I got a chance to check out with my friends from Belgium. Did you guys want a photo together?
Yes, we did, thank you.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, cheese. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Look how far this zooms. I got more zoom than you. See the Hollywood sign?
No.
That's where it is, right?
Yeah.
Bam, bam,
Wow.
bam.
Oh,
Need one of those.
wow. This goes better than this one.
We gotta upgrade. We got some good photos. You guys look good.
Yeah. Are you a famous guy?
No,
No.
no. We make videos, but no, we're not famous.
Yeah, but even with videos you can be famous.
No, we're just a couple friends making videos.
Okay.
You guys visiting?
Yes, we are.
Where are you guys from?
From Belgium.
Oh, awesome.
Brussels.
Awesome. Hope you guys have a great time out
Yeah,
here.
we hope so too.
Okay.
But that's a big camera.
That's a big camera.
Is that a special one?
It's a special one.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
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 So if you look at the Hollywood sign, that's really freaking far away. Like, our camera doesn't even get that far. We don't got that kind of zoom packed in our camera. What are we doing with our lives? Next, I figured it'd be cool to see what The Rock is up to. We got some downtown LA. It was probably like one of his like 68 houses, but let's see how far we can get in there. 2 times, even better. We're getting a little closer. 6 times, things are getting a little bit crazy. We can start to see those houses, a really close look at those buildings. If we zoom in, he's curling like 200 pounds right there.
I don't think it's really anyway.
You don't know that. Design-wise, this is a really, really good-looking phone from the back to the front. There's no notch, so it's nothing but beautiful, beautiful display. And that's thanks to that clever, mechanical, straight out of Avengers, rising front-facing selfie camera, which worked really, really well. So I'm here with my friend Linda, and Sharon. She is the pet nanny, so for all your pet nanny needs, make sure you guys check her out, link below. But I'm here with my friends today to look into the future with this selfie tech. So I'm gonna press that and woo, that's crazy. So see if we can get us all in there. You guys, let's get a little closer.
Oh, we'd love to hug up against you.
There we go. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Do.
Yep, we got it.
Okay.
So for this next test, we got our boy Stevie chilling up on his phone up there. Yo, Stevie, what's up? So we're gonna see how close we can get to him right now. And again, our camera, we don't got that kind of reach, so we're gonna start out at 1 times. Actually, let's go ultra wide first, just to see how much we can get in there. We can fit pretty much that whole building, which is awesome. We're gonna hop over to that first 1 times, and can't really see Stevie there. Now we can start to see Stevie pop in right there. 6 times though, that's kind of where that magic happens. And hitting that full 10 times zoom. Stevie, give me a wave. Bam, got him. That's crazy. Oh dude, that kid is saying, Dad, stop drinking all the water.
Right in the face.
My water, son, I'll teach you a lesson. So next up, we're kind of scaling things back down with this Oppo Reno 10 times test with some minifigures. Got some mystery element to this. I was a huge Power Rangers fan back in the day. Although I would say I was partial to Tommy, whether that was white or green. That was a man. It's okay though. we got Zach. At least in my day. I'm not sure what era this is, but I'm gonna go with Zach because that's the right Power Rangers era. Zach all day. They don't want kids in there. Who is that? That's oh man, Frozen. That's quite the movie right there. Power Rangers meets Frozen. Last up, in the figure collection. I'm gonna get wrecked in the comments, but I don't know who this guy is. He looks like he's from Men in Black, but we're gonna roll with that. So first up, we're gonna grab that ultra wide. This looks crazy. Second up, 1 time. Not bad. I'm getting curious for that 10 times though. 2 times. 6 times. Oh, we got a little foreground depth right there with that plant. It's kind of nice. Last up, 10 times. Ooh, that one's looking, can we get a little bit of that foreground plant right there? That's kind of crazy. I feel like we gotta get down for this shot. A little Viper style. Ultra wide, let's go ultra wide first. So far away. 1 time, 2 time. We're coming for you. Oh, that's crazy, man. I feel like this one might be a good landscape shot. Damn, we got that range. 6 times and finally 10 times. Man. Got him. That's crazy. I love the fact that you get some focal compression with that blurred out shallow depth of field. I probably should get up off the floor, but that's not bad. So we got Zach chilling up there on the water. I'm gonna hop straight over to 6 times zoom. And again, what I love about this with that focal length, even if you're not trying to get like that creeper shot from a huge distance, you do get that focal compression. So you get that nice blurred out background. And this looks actually really nice. He looks larger than life right now. He is just guarding that fountain like a boss. That's 6 times. You ready for 10 times? Ooh, he looks like a mountain man. That's going to IG. That aside though, crazy impressive tech from Oppo in here, and in a world where tech sometimes can feel stagnant, I feel like people for the most part aren't really impressed. You cannot deny this is cool, this is badass, and that's definitely a look into the future. This is the Oppo Reno 10 times, and like the name implies, kid just chucked his, I don't know what he chucked, the kid was like, maybe I can zoom in and see what he threw. Hey, don't litter, kid. Look, now he's running. He's on the run. He's like, shh. I just littered, the police are after me.